The nucleus, which resembles a giant information processor, is the brain of the complex system. Inside the cells are chromosomes, data bank. Intertwined. Detailed plans of all the systems in the cell are coded in these DNA chains. A DNA chain is like a spiral helix composed of the sequential arrangements of 4 different molecules. These 4 thanks to this alphabet, an enormous amount of information that will fill hundreds of volumes of an encyclopedia is coded in the DNA. Code is the detailed production plan of the thousands of different enzymes and proteins in the cell. The projects of organic production of an organic molecule, such as a protein, starts with the identification of the gene and information in the DNA in the chromosomes. I'm exclusively in charge of this task, opens the DNA like a zipper. Then, another group of enzymes come and divide the strands into. Another enzyme goes over one of the split pieces and quickly reads and copies the data coded here. Now, a copy of the production in the DNA is obtained. After replication is complete, close the DNA and restore it to its original state. Produced from the DNA is called messenger RNA. Messenger RNA contains the production plan of the protein required for the cell. Protein production itself takes place in another part of the cell. This structure we can also factor the cell. There is a perfect system of production in messenger RNA slips in from one end of the ribosome, slowly proceeds. In the meantime, the transfer RNA molecules carry the amino acids, which are the components required for the protein to be produced, to the ribosome in a complete state and in the right sequence. The amino acids brought in the right sequence. As the messenger RNA proceeds, the amino acid that corresponds to the there is added to the chain. The result is a new protein. The slightest mistake in the amino acid sequence would cause the protein Production complete, the protein leaves the ribosome to set its duty. All these extraordinary processes take place, not somewhere far away, but right on your own body. The we have simplified here are actually far more complicated, and they are continuously repeating one of the 100 trillion cells in your body. The cell, which was a simple little lump of albuminous compound by the formulators of the theory of evolution, has such an extraordinary design. This magnificent system certainly could not have emerged by chance, as the theory of evolution claims. When all these details of cell biology were revealed and understood, the theory of evolution suffered a great blow. Glory be knowledge except what you have taught us. You are the all-knowing, the all-wise.